Hello and welcome to the third video for week four's activity that I'm setting for Year 8 Biology. So the lesson should say, when you read it, it says complete checkpoint natural selection and adaptations quiz on Google Classroom. Now this is a very important checkpoint for me to make sure that you understand everything that is covered. So once you put all your results in, I'll then be able to check and compare your answers with the rest of the year, and this will be the basis of which I'll be setting the Google Meet after in a week and a bit's time. So please, I really would appreciate it if you finish this quiz. I've just opened the quiz to see and to show you that it does indeed work. So it says checkpoint, natural selection and adaptations. So I've just put my name. What is your name? That's a good one. Just put your full name. So this is the checkpoint and it's pretty straightforward. These are the questions. If you have problems with this, then what you'll need to do is you'll need to go back over the activities that I've already set. This quiz you cannot really do without having done the activities that I have set. Please do not make extra work for yourself by going on the internet and doing your own research. Everything has been given to you already. Okay, so all you need to do is just type in your answer. So I'll just show you. Should go here. All right, the next one is, well, put your next answer here. Okay, so all you need to do is just go through the quiz, put your next answer there, and then for each of the questions, just put your next answer, okay? And then afterwards, that's it. All your responses will have been recorded, okay? So do that, and I look forward to assessing and giving you feedback on this task. Thank you for watching.